Welcome once again. Finally, we will introduce genetic algorithms, GA. Genetic algorithms in programming simulate the process of natural selection, where those species that can adapt to changes in their environment are more likely to survive and reproduce, passing their advantageous traits to the next generation. In simpler terms, they simulate survival of the fittest among individuals of consecutive generations for solving a problem. Genetic algorithms are based on an analogy with the genetic structure and behavior of chromosomes of a population. The foundation of GAS is based on this analogy. 1. Individuals in a population compete for resources and mates. 2. Those individuals who are successful, fittest, then mate to create more offspring than others. 3. Genes from fittest parents propagate throughout the generation, sometimes creating offspring that are better than either parent. 4. Thus, each successive generation is more suited for their environment or better at solving the problem. In a genetic algorithm, a gene represents a single solution to a problem. A chromosome, individual, is composed of several genes or multiple similar solutions. A population of individuals is maintained within the search space, representing all possible solutions to the problem. The general algorithm can be summarized as follows. Randomly initialize n populations. Determine the fitness of each population member. Repeat until convergence, a stopping criterion is met. 1. Select parents from the population based on their fitness. 2. Perform crossover, recombination, to generate the new population of offspring. 3. Perform mutation on the new population to introduce diversity. This slide reiterates the components within the search space of a genetic algorithm. The fitness score is a crucial concept in GAS. The algorithm maintains a population of n individuals, chromosome solutions, along with their fitness scores. Individuals with better fitness scores are given a higher chance to reproduce than others. These fitter individuals are selected to mate and produce better offspring by combining chromosomes of parents. The goal is that each new generation of solutions will have better fitness than the parent population. Genetic algorithms use certain biological concepts as operators to find better solutions. Crossover. Recombination simulates sexual reproduction by combining genetic material from two parents. Mutation introduces random changes in the genetic material to explore new possibilities. Selection favors individuals with higher fitness scores for reproduction. Genetic algorithms are primarily used in optimization problems of various kinds, where the goal is to maximize or minimize a given objective function value under a given set of constraints. However, they are also used in other application areas, such as DNA analysis to determine the structure of DNA using spectrometric data. GAS are also used to train neural networks, particularly recurrent neural networks. Furthermore, they have very good parallel capabilities, making them effective for solving certain complex problems and providing a good area for research. Genetic algorithms offer several advantages. They do not require any derivative information, which may not be available for many real-world problems. They are generally faster and more efficient compared to traditional methods for certain types of problems. They provide a list of good solutions and not just a single solution, which can be beneficial in complex scenarios. However, GAS also have disadvantages. They are not suited for all problems, especially those that are simple and for which derivative information is available. The fitness value is calculated repeatedly, which can be computationally expensive for complex fitness functions. Being stochastic, random, there are no guarantees on the optimality or the quality of the solution. This final slide simply expresses gratitude. Alright everyone, that concludes our overview of Unit 1. Please review these concepts and come prepared for our next lecture where we will delve deeper into some of these topics. Are there any initial questions? Thank you.